Okay, so we will discuss questions from 7.1 exercise. So we have seen principle of or fundamental principle of counting. Look at the first question. How many three-digit numbers can be formed? How many three-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? So 5 digits are there. Question is, how many three-digit numbers can be formed? So two part. The first part is the repetition is allowed. The repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed. See, so three digits. So first digit, second digit, third digit. So आपके पास कितना digits है total? Total 5 digits are available. 5 digits are available. Okay. So first digit can be possible in how many ways? 5 ways. This can be possible in 5 ways. Second digit can be possible in 5 ways because repetition is allowed. 5 ways. Third digit can be possible in 5 ways because repetition is allowed. So we know that by fundamental principle of counting, if one event can happen in m ways, another event can happen in n ways, then together can happen in m into n ways. So this can be happen in 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125 ways. That means 125 three-digit numbers can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, assuming that repetition is allowed. If the repetition is not allowed, you can see that there are 3 digits. If the repetition is not allowed, you can see that first digit can be possible in 5 ways. So already one digit is used. So next position, it can be possible in 4 ways only because already one digit is used. Then the last position is possible in only 3 ways because already 2 digits are used and the repetition is not allowed. So total we can see that it is 5 into 4 into 3. 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, that is 60. So you can see that there are 125 three-digit numbers which can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, assuming that the repetition is allowed. If the repetition is not allowed, we can form 60 three-digit numbers. Now, look at the next question. How many three-digit even numbers can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? If the digits can be repeated, digits can be repeated. So you can see that three-digit number. So okay, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 digits. So it is even number. Even number है तो we know that here position में ये वाला last position में either आना चाहिए 2, 4 or 6 because we are supposed to use the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but it should be even number. So even number है तो last digit should be either 2, 4 or 6. So that means last digit can be possible, or the unit digit can be possible in 3 ways. It can be possible in 3 ways. Now, any of the position, maybe the first position, if you see, there are total 6 digits. उसमें से already one digit is used in the unit place, so remaining is only uh, repetition is allowed, so we can use 6 digits. Repetition is allowed, that's why the digits can be repeated. So first position can be, or the first digit or unit, 10th, 100th position can be possible in 6 different ways. Then 10th place, that is also possible in 6 ways because the digits can be repeated. But the unit place, it is not having 6 options because it should be even number. It should be even number. So even number hai to digit should end with either 2, 4 or 6. So there is only 3 ways. So that means 6 into 6 into 3. So you have to do the multiplication. 6 into 6 into 3, which is 36 into 3. That means 108, which is equal to 108. That means 108 even 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In case, so if I add a little bit to that, if this question number 2, if digits can't be repeated, if the digits can't be repeated, then how many ways are there? So we can see that there are 3 positions. And as I told you in the above case, unit place is having 3 options, either 2, 4 or 6. Now already one digit is used in the unit place, so we have only 5 different ways to fill the 100th place. So one digit is used in the 100th place and one digit is used in the unit place. So 2 digit is already used. So remaining only 4 digits are remaining. So we can see that it is possible in 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60. So here we can see that using these 6 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if the digits can be repeated, we can form 108 3-digit even numbers. If the digit cannot be repeated, then we can form 60 3-digit even numbers. Okay, let us come to the next question. Question number 3. How many 4-lettered chord can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet? So we need 4-letter chord using first 10 letters of English alphabet. Condition: no letter can be repeated. Letters cannot be repeated. So 4-letter chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4-letter chord. So we have to use the first 10 letters of the English alphabet. So the first position, it can be possible in 10 ways. The second letter, it can be possible in 9 ways because we can't use the letter again. No letter can be repeated. So the third letter in the chord, that can be possible only in 8 ways because already 2 letters are used. And the fourth letter in the chord, that can be possible in 7 ways. So A4 altogether, it can be happening by principle of fundamental principle of counting. It can be possible in 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 ways. So now to multiply 10 into 9, 90, 90 into 8 into 7, 7 to 8, 56. It is 50, 50, 40. That means there are 5040 four-letter chord can be formed. Now look at question number 4. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digit 0 to 9 if each number start with 67 and no digit appear more than once? So step by step, we need 5-digit telephone number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit telephone number. So उन्होंने already बोला था कि so first 2 digit of the telephone number should be 6 and 7. 67 से number शुरू करना है. So we can't do anything there. It is must. They told that it should be start with 67. So first position there is only one way. It should be 6. Second position also there is only one way. It should be 7. Now the third digit. How many ways are there? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. 0 to 9. There are how many digits? 10 digits. There are 10 digits. 0 to 9, there are 10 digits. Now, third, we can't repeat the digits. So already 2 digits are used. So this can be, the third digit can be possible in only 8 ways because 2 digits are already used. So 1 into 1 into 8 into fourth position can be possible only in 7 different ways, and last phone number, the digit of the phone number can be possible in only 6 different ways. So total we can form 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. 8 into 7, 56 into 6. That means 336 numbers. You can form 336 phone numbers using the digits 0 to 9 conditions. Each number start with 67 and no digits repeats more than once. Now look at question number 5. Question number 5. A coin is tossed 3 times. So a coin is tossed 3 times. Outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes? Coin tossed 3 times. So coin tossed 3 times. First time toss किया, second time toss किया, third time toss किया. So how many possible outcomes are there? So first time toss करेंगे तो how many outcomes are there? It can comes either head or tail. So how many ways? 2 ways. Second time toss करेंगे तो भी क्या मिलेगा? Either head or tail मिलेगा. So how many ways? 2 ways. Third time toss करेंगे तो भी क्या मिलेगा? Head or tail. So how many ways? 2 ways. So first position can happen in 2 ways. Second position can happen in 2 ways. Third position can happen in 2 ways. Total 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2. 8 ways are there. 8 outcomes are there. So this is very important. Like when the coin tosses 1 times, we know that it is head, or it can be head or tail. Now this is 1 time. If the coin tosses 2 times, it is like this. There is no need to write all the outcomes, just for your information I'm telling. इसमें से ऐसे हो सकता 2 times toss करेंगे तो head in the first coin, head in the second coin, head in the first coin, tail in the second coin, tail in the first coin, head in the second coin, tail in the first coin, tail in the second coin. So if the coin tosses 2 times, there are 4 outcomes. If the coin tosses 3 times, this easy way to write. So I will tell you how it is. 2 times टॉस करेंगे तो जो मिलेगा वो सब कुछ लिखना, जैसे एच 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 टी एच टी टी, और एक बार लिखो एच एच टी एच टी। अभी क्या कर देना, तो पहले जो 4 लिखा था उसका सबसे आगे हेड डालो, एच 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 एच, सो यू गॉट 4। देन नेक्स्ट अब 4 लिखा था उसका सबसे आगे टेल डालो. So this is the easiest way to write. So you can see that there are 8 outcomes. इसका मतलब first one H मतलब first time toss किया head, second time toss किया head, third time toss किया head. Then T मतलब first time toss किया head, second time toss किया head, third time toss किया tail. Then STH first time head, second time tail, third time head. Then HTT first time head, second times tail, third times tail. Why say tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head, tail tail tail. These are the 8 outcomes. Without writing the outcomes, we already know that there are 8 outcomes if a coin is tossed 3 times. So I'm just telling you which are that 8 outcomes. It is very easy actually to write. First time toss करेंगे तो head and tail, एक बार toss करेंगे तो. So 2 बार toss करेंगे तो लिखने का टेक्निक है head tail 2 बार लिख देना. पहले जो सेट है उसके सबसे आगे हेड डाल देना, सेकेंड सेट है उसके सबसे आगे टेल डाल देना. सो यू विल गेट 4 आउटकम्स. So if you toss the coin 2 times, if you want to write all the outcomes when you toss the coin 3 times, what you have to do is you have to write all the outcomes when you toss the coin 2 times. वो 2 बार लिख देना, देन एक बार सबसे आगे हेड डाल देना, दूसरा बार सबसे आगे टेल डाल देना. सो यू विल गेट ऑल द 8 आउटकम्स. इसके अलावा दूसरे कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं है. सो यू कैन सी दैट there is no need to write the outcomes. Just for your information, I am telling these are the outcomes. So we just used fundamental principle of counting, and we are found that if the coin is tossed 3 times, there are total 8 possible outcomes. वो कैसे मिला? फर्स्ट टाइम टॉस करेंगे तो देयर में बी हेड और टेल, 2 possibilities. सेकेंड टाइम टॉस करेंगे तो अगेन देयर आर 2 possibilities, इट कैन बी हेड और टेल. थर्ड टाइम टॉस करेंगे तो अगेन 2 possibilities, either head or tail. And we know that by principle of counting principle, if one event can happen in m ways, another event can happen in n ways. एक के बाद दूसरा ऐसे दोनों continuous, it can happen in m into n ways. So here first event can happen in 2 ways, second event can happen in 2 ways, third event can happen in 2 ways. So तीनों together, एक के बाद दूसरा ऐसे, दूसरे के बाद तीसरा ऐसे, it can be possible in 2 into 2 into 2, 8 ways. That's why there are 8 outcomes. And last question, question number 6. Question number 6. Given 5 flags of different colors. आपके पास 5 flag है, all the 5 are of different color. So you have to make signals. How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags? आपको ऐसे एक signal चाहिए. Signal में ऐसे रहते हैं कि 2 flag रहते हैं, ऐसे 2 signal, ऐसे 2 flags, flag 1, flag 2, ऐसे 2 flags. So how many ways are there? So आपके पास 5 flags है. So first flag can be possible in 5 ways, into second flag can be possible in 4 ways. So total 5 into 4, there are 20 ways are there. In other words, there are 20 signals you can generate using the given 5 flags. Is it clear? That's all about fundamental principle of counting. If one event can happen in m ways, another event can happen in n ways, though not together can happen in m into n ways.